my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another healthcare work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be non-phone. I know a lot of people have subscribed and followed my videos due to my healthcare videos, so I try to mix it up and throw in a little bit of everything, but we can't leave out those healthcare positions. Today's job lead is from the company Vesta Healthcare. Now, Vesta Healthcare is a startup company, so they don't have very many reviews on Glassdoor right now. They have 24 reviews with a 3.0 out of 5-star rating. As always, the link to this Glassdoor page and the application page are both linked down in the YouTube description box below this video. But Vesta Healthcare is hiring an eligibility specialist. Now, this is remote for the United States only. It says they're a startup on a simple mission to deliver extraordinary outcomes by unlocking the power of caregivers. So they're looking for somebody to do remote administrative support for multiple cross-functional teams within their business operations. You're really going to be dealing mainly with those referrals and eligibility of patients. You'll process and upload referrals accurately and efficiently, utilizing all available resources to ensure all eligible referrals are put in outreach. You'll determine the insurance eligibility through the use of different various platforms. Normally that is a provider portals on the different insurance websites. You'll execute on data entry with close attention to detail and accuracy in support of internal reporting and workflow platforms. You'll stay organized while working several different projects at the same time. And of course, you'll follow the established workflows while continuing to strive to find ways to optimize and gain efficiency. So completely non-phone, you'll be using mostly online web portals and different resources. They are not requiring any kind of college degree. They do want somebody who has those advanced Microsoft Excel skills, so you know how to do the VLOOKUPs, pivot tables, if-then formula statements. They want somebody who has a prior healthcare insurance experience. They prefer somebody who has knowledge of a revenue cycle and insurance plans, but that is not required. You do get bonus points if you're bilingual in English and Spanish, as that is preferred as well, but not required. You need to be a problem solver with great organizational skills and a passion for healthcare and affecting change within the healthcare environment. If you're interested in this position, pay is anywhere from $16.50 an hour all the way up to $19 an hour. They also offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, paid time off, and 401k. As always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, along with any education and experience that you have. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.